If you've been looking for a way into Chappaqua, New York that offers low maintenance, living without giving up space, amenities, or quality, Old Farm Lake is worth your attention. This is a community where the pool, fitness center, tennis, and grounds are taken care of. And you're still just minutes from the village, the train, and everything Chappaqua has to offer. Hey everyone, I'm Ted Holmes with the Holmes team at William Raveis Real Estate. And today I'm excited to show you around my newest listing at 20 Water's Edge in Chappaqua, New York. Let's take a closer look. This 3-bedroom townhome sits in a private setting with wooded views, and it lives beautifully across 3 levels. The main level has great open flow, living room with a wood-burning fireplace, dining area with cathedral ceilings and a skylight, and an eat-in kitchen with granite countertops and custom rut cherry cabinets that opens directly to a private patio with wooded views. Hardwood floors, a half bath, and direct access to the 1-car garage round out the main level. Upstairs, the primary suite has its own ensuite bath and walk-in closet. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a full hall bath that complete the upper level. Downstairs, there's finished storage or a dedicated workspace. The community itself adds real value with a pool, tennis courts, sport court, fitness center, clubhouse, and playground, all maintained for you. Thank you so much for touring 20 Water's Edge in Chappaqua with me today. If you're a buyer who's looking for easy living with amenities, this one deserves a serious look. If you have any questions or you'd like to schedule a private showing, we'd love to hear from you.